Welcome back to Joy Tutorials. It's an educational channel. BED second years Environmental Education Issues and Concerns EDN 20 paper Environmental Education Issues and Concerns fourth semester 3 papers total here guidance and counseling environmental education issues and concerns and third paper whatever choosing management that paper they will follow here our Usmania University here our college management chosen guidance and counseling environmental education issues and concerns EDN 20 paper. Here contents total 4 units. First unit understanding environment, weather, climate, agriculture and health. Second unit environmental issues. Third unit environmental pollution, ecosystem and human impact on environment and fourth unit sustainable development. Here, first unit. First unit. What are the important questions will come under examination point of view? Here, first question. What do you mean by environment, weather, and climate? Here, environment. Environment refers to the surroundings of an organism. The environment is derived from French word environner, to encircle. That means surrounds. It includes both living and non-living components. Here, sociological, ecological elements. Here, it includes both living and non-living components. Here, components of environment, biotic components and abiotic components. Here, biotic components, the living components of an ecosystem. The living components of an ecosystem that are plants, animals, and microorganisms. You can remember biotic PAM. Plants, animals, microorganisms. P for plants, A for animals, M for microorganisms. Second, next one, abiotic components of an ecosystem. The non-living components of an ecosystem. Here, factors like climatic factors, physical factors, and chemical factors. You can easily remember CPC, abiotic CPC. Climatic factor, C for climatic factor, P for physical factor, C for chemical factor. Next one, weather. Weather, it represents the daily changes in the atmosphere or the state of the atmosphere over a short period. Here it represents daily changes in the atmosphere or a state of the atmosphere over a short period. It is the mix of events that happen each day. It includes temperature, rainfall, humidity. So here weather you have to remember TRH, weather TRH. T for temperature, rainfall, humidity. So it is a mix of events that happen each day. Mix of events that happen each day. Next one here, uh, climate. Climate is the average weather in a place over many years or the average weather usually over a 30-year interval. It is the usual condition of the temperature, humidity, atmosphere, pressure, wind, rainfall, other meteorological elements. Here, climate is the average weather in a place over many years. It is a we can assess a long period of a time. For example, weather is like a examination conducting in schools. They are conducting formative assessment, summative assessment like that. Na? So whether we can consider, we can think like formative assessment. Why? Because it is a short period of time we can assess. Here, climate we can think like summative assessment. Why? Because it is a long period of time. It is the average weather in a place over many years or the average weather usually over a 30-year interval. Here, usual condition of the THAPWRM. THAPWRM. Temperature, humidity, atmosphere, pressure, wind, rainfall, other meteorological elements. Here, what are the difference between weather and climate? Weather and climate. Weather is the moment wise state of the atmosphere of a geographical area. Climate is the average weather in a given region. Weather is the moment wise state of the atmosphere of a geographical area. Here, climate is the average weather in a given region. Next one, weather is the condition of the atmosphere in given region over a short period. Climate is the way atmosphere behaves typically over a long period. Next one, weather of a place can change in a few hours or even in a few minutes. The climate of a place takes several years to change. Weather is greatly affected by factors like temperature, humidity, air pressure, etc. Temperature and precipitation are the two key factors which influence climate. Next one, the study of weather is called meteorology. The study of climate is called climatology. Here, this is the differences between weather and climate. Weather is a moment-wise state. It is a climate is the average weather in a given region. Here weather is a we can take a geographical area. Here climate is a given region, average weather in a given region. Here it is a condition over a short period of time. In weather, climate is a long period of time. Here the way atmosphere behaves over a long period of time. Whether a place can change few hours or few minutes, it climate is place takes several years to change. Weather greatly affected factors like temperature, humidity, pressure. Here, temperature and precipitation are the two key factors which influence climate. Here, weather, the study of weather is called meteorology, the study of climate is called climatology. సో నెక్స్ట్ ఈ యొక్క వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే మీరు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. నెక్స్ట్ మరొక ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్స్తో మీ ముందుకు వస్తాం. థ్యాంక్ యూ.